your loved one is in an accident, the first thing that you should do is call the police, call 911. And you need to make sure that you're safe and that you're in a stable environment. If you are in a stable environment and you are able to document the scene in any manner, then taking photographic evidence or writing down what happened so that you have a good memory of what happened at the time is an important thing to do.
In any type of particular case, whether it be motor vehicle or slip and fall, one of the most important things is evidence documentation. I've had cases go either way. I've had catastrophic injury cases where people contact us 4 or 5 weeks afterwards, after the event, because it's obviously a horrific loss. And you're not thinking about calling an attorney, you're thinking about dealing with loss of a loved one, which is completely understandable. So in those type of cases, when we're contacted 4 or 5 weeks after, we're in a bit of a scramble to find out where the vehicles are if it's a vehicle crash, or where the location is if it's a location where it's a slip and fall or some type of other catastrophic injury from a premises standpoint, meaning a business or a location. Also a negligent security case, something where there's a shooting. We need to get those areas under control at the time of the incident so we can document the way the condition exists at the time. But whether you're in a small crash or a large crash, you got to document the evidence. Ultimately, and that's what it is. This is an injury claim. If you have injury, you got to document what caused it. Pictures, photographs, conditions, stories to yourself, handwritten stories. These are all very important things. Should you or a loved one be involved in a crash, slip or fall, or other injury, catastrophic or otherwise, feel free to contact the office of Ginnis Krathen. Myself or my partner will be happy to sit down with you, answer any questions, and go over all your options.